Compare R and light L. L. R and light L are both consonant sounds in English, but they are produced differently and can be difficult to distinguish for learners of English, especially those whose native languages do not have these sounds. Let's start by comparing the following drawings for voiced consonants R and L. Notice the tongue. As you can see for R, the tongue is not touching the roof of the mouth, whereas for L, the tongue is touching the top of the mouth on the alveolar ridge. Here's a breakdown of how they are produced and how they differ. The R sound, as in red, how to make the sound. The tongue does not touch the roof of the mouth. The tip of the tongue is close to the alveolar ridge, but does not touch it. It curls up slightly. The back of the tongue is slightly raised, and the sides of the tongue lightly touch the upper teeth. The lips are slightly rounded and pushed forward a little. Air flows freely through the mouth. It's voiced and sounds like this. R, r, r. Smooth and warm, not tapped or rolled. Take a look in a mirror, if you can. You don't see your tongue for R. Now try R, R, R. Rain, rain. Now for light L. Light L as in the word let. How to make the sound? Well, it's voiced and the tip of the tongue touches the alveolar ridge, that little bumpy area just behind the upper front teeth. The sides of the tongue are lowered, allowing air to flow around the sides of the tongue. You can try that if you like. Lips are relaxed and slightly open. Now make the sound L, L, L. Smooth and light. The light L occurs at the beginning of words or before a vowel, like in let, lip, or willing. Now do the mirror check. You can see your tongue touch the roof of your mouth for L. Try la 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 la. Light. Now, compare the mouth positions for these sounds. For R, the lips are slightly rounded, and for L, the lips are relaxed. Watch. R, L, R, L. Now copy me. L, R, L, R. So here's a reminder of the key differences and similarities between R and L. Now do this tongue awareness trick. Say L while smiling. La la la. Feel the tongue touching. Now say R while rounding your lips. R, R, R. No tongue touch. Alternate rhythmically. La, ra, la, ra, la, ra. Now say these word pairs. Repeat them slowly and clearly, focusing on tongue position. Lip, rip. Lip, rip. Light, right. light, right. Collect, correct. Collect, correct. Alive, arrive. Alive, arrive. Belly, berry. Belly, berry. Long, wrong. Long, wrong. Lead, read. Lead, read. Glass, grass. Glass, grass. Fly, fry. Fly, fry. Now, here's a list of some common mistakes. Lice instead of rice. Light instead of right. Glass instead of grass. Play instead of pray. Clown instead of crown. Are you serious about improving your pronunciation? Then don't stop here. Join me in my school community. You'll get live lessons with me, a pronunciation assessment, expert feedback, and step-by-step training. The link is in the description. Love and peace.